In our previous lesson, we explored the subject of business studies, delving into its core concepts, including economic principles, management, and marketing. In today's class, we will discuss the topic the office. An office is a dedicated space within an organization where administrative and clerical activities are conducted. It is a central point for communication, documentation, and coordination of various tasks. The office can vary in size and structure, but its primary purpose remains the same: to facilitate the smooth functioning of the organization. Types of office. There are two primary types of offices, each catering to different organizational needs. 1. Big or large office. A big or large office is typically located within a substantial building, which is partitioned into numerous smaller offices. In such offices, various departments and teams have their own workspace. This setup is common in large corporations and government institutions. 2. Small office. A small office can be as modest as a single room equipped with essential office equipment like a table, telephone, and, in some cases, a fax machine and computer. Small offices are commonly found in startups, small businesses, or home-based businesses. Functions of an office. The functions of an office may vary from one organization to another, but several core functions are typically performed in an office setting. 1. Receiving information. An office serves as the primary point for receiving information from both within and outside the organization. This information is received through various means, including correspondence, e.g., letters, faxes, emails, telephone calls, and personal contacts. 2. Recording information. Any information received by the office, as mentioned above, is meticulously recorded and filed for future reference when needed. This function helps maintain a historical record of the organization's activities. 3. Arranging information. Once information is recorded, it is distributed to the relevant sections and departments within the organization that require it. This ensures that the right information reaches the right people at the right time, facilitating efficient decision-making and action. In conclusion, the office is the nerve center of an organization, playing a pivotal role in facilitating communication, documentation, and coordination. Understanding the types and functions of offices is essential for anyone seeking to appreciate their significance in the business world. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.